That's right, Gargi. Of course, it is a very, very important day in the Ruchika case. A very big verdict awaited from the Chandigarh court. And this verdict could very well determine the trajectory of this case from here on. And of course, as you know, this verdict has been deferred twice already. To talk about the significance of the verdict, we are in fact joined by Mr. Anand Prakash and his wife Madhu Prakash, who have stood shoulder to shoulder with the Girhotra family through all these difficult, traumatic years. Sir, 20 years and the wait for justice is not over yet. What does this verdict mean to you? What are your expectations from it?
We have a very high expectations from this verdict, and today we hope that he will be given maximum punishment, which is 2 years in this case. And there will be a message to the society that anybody who may be any powerful person, but he will have to obey the law of the land, and if he violates the law, he will have to be punished and he will be behind the bars. And such a menace and danger to the society should be behind the bars and should not be moving openly, just he has been moving 20 years so long.
Right. And sir, of course, when the verdict came out in the month of December and Rathore got a 6-month sentence, all of you were very, very disappointed and there was a huge public outcry. So are you hoping that things would be different this time around?
Yes, definitely different. Because for the last 20 years, Rathore and his clout was able to gag the voice of first Ruchika, then we people. But now this is the voice of the country and it cannot be gagged, it cannot be suppressed. And the result must be in favor of the voice of the people. And judiciary is definitely a main strength of the democracy of India. When we have got such a corrupt system in bureaucracy, police and political. So we have very high expectations from the judiciary. We are proud of our judiciary.
Right. Ma'am, if I could come to you now, as we have been saying, it's been 20 long years and you people have fought for justice, standing shoulder to shoulder with Mr. Girhotra and his family. How difficult has it been for your family personally, given that you were also subjected to harassment?
Yes, definitely the harassment was very, very big, and we have to face many difficulties. As my husband, he was charged with the cases, false cases, and we got many threats about the life of my children, Aradhana, and our family. And moreover, threatening calls were coming to us that you should leave this case, otherwise you will see the results. And we had to face many difficulties about this.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
And this time I'm expecting that the smile that had came on his face on 20th December, that should vanish. And this time he should be given imprisonment at least for 2 years.
Right.
And I hope our judiciary will do this. I'm very confident about the punishment of
Right. Thank you so much for talking to us. So there you have it, Gargi. 20 years is a very, very long time. These people have been relentlessly fighting for justice. You know, the harassment that they were subjected to could have broken their spirit, but they did not give up at any point. And now, of course, they are hoping that justice will be done. It's been a very, very long wait. And of course, they say that the most important thing is that Rathore must go to jail. That is really, you know, the only time when they will feel that justice has been done in this case, and that's the only thing that can perhaps send out a strong enough message to society.
Tuba.com